this is the all new Motorola One Vision in front of you. A decent looking phone, but a big massive size of screen, a 6.3 inches 21:9 aspect ratio cinematic experience kind of a screen. Also it has another highlight of the phone is the punch hole display. So the camera is in display camera, and at the back you get a 48 megapixel plus 5 megapixel of dual camera setup. Processor is a Samsung Exynos 9609. That is a decent processor. Also the front camera is a good, that is a 25 megapixel of sensor. So overall the phone looks quite promising from Motorola, with a 3500 mAh of battery and 4 GB plus 128 GB of storage. So it has been launched at a price range of 20,000.